Good morning, guys. So today what we're going to do is we're going to be installing these BoostedScatPack Emblems that I got. I've been looking at these for a while now. I really like how they look on the cars, and you know, the quality is pretty nice. They have the double-sided tape already installed on it with a thin layer. You just got to peel off, throw them on the car. So what we're going to do is pull off the 392 emblems on the side of my car. We're going to throw these on. You know, I contacted the owner of the company, super fast shipping and everything. So, you know, so far I'm pretty impressed, but let's go ahead and throw them on the car and check them out. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually hold these up to my 392 emblem and somewhat center it, and I'll tape it on like so. And then once I like how it looks, I'm going to put some painter's tape at the bottoms and top of the emblem. So I can make sure the other side is going to be exactly the same. You're gonna want to use a heat gun or a blow dryer and just heat up your emblems. Don't get it too hot though, because you could damage your paint. And if you're trying to keep the emblem too, you can damage the emblem. If you get too hot, you can that's it. So why don't you guys let me know what you think about this emblem in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the support, and you guys will be seeing more videos soon. All right, thanks.